Web hosting PHP versus ASP. Websites used to be simple things, where everything you needed to do could be done in HTML. There was really one set of rules and one set of expectations. Today's world is far more complex. Websites can be more complex and users expect more from websites. Terms like PHP and ASP are now competing with HTML when launching a website. And it can be difficult to figure out which option best suits your needs. If you've ever driven an import car, you can appreciate the importance of being able to find support that meets your needs. If you're going to get your site off the ground and turn it into something exceptional, having a large community to support you is essential. PHP, personal home pages, has more support on the internet than ASP active server pages. A larger user base gives you more allies. More people who can help you develop your talents and your website. Another advantage of PHP is that it is Unix-based, which gives it more cross-platform capabilities than ASP. As the increasing demands of Microsoft's operating systems equalize the price between Microsoft's products and Apple's, which is increasingly important. Did we mention that in the grand Unix tradition, PHP is free, while ASP requires support software that isn't? In terms of plugins and additional tools, PHP's open source has a strong base of free tools, while ASP requires you to purchase those tools. You can find help for your PHP programming from free to paid. Most professional ASP support is very expensive in comparison. Also, you need to consider the costs associated with web hosting on Windows Server compared to Linux servers. In most cases, you will notice a significant price difference. Not only that, Windows servers tend to be unstable and prone to failure, more likely to be attacked by viruses, trojans and exploits. On the other hand, Linux servers are much more stable and the attacks that Windows servers suffer on a daily basis do not exist in Linux. If you are considering a dedicated server or shared hosting, Linux should be your first choice. I have yet to find a problem that cannot be solved using PHP and Linux. With all this, you might wonder why ASP is still around. Part of this is because ASP is based on the same methodology used to build macros in other Microsoft products. People who have invested time in learning how to use macros in Word or Excel will be more comfortable using ASP. PHP is based on C, a robust computer programming language. Before this scares you, the free tools out there allow a lot to be hidden, until you're ready to harness the power of PHP. Taken together, PHP's power, price, flexibility, stability, and support are far superior to ASP. If you're going to commit to building the best website you can, commit to using the best tools you can. The investment in learning PHP will pay off when you're able to open doors, invite your friends, and transform your website. From a normal, average site to a sophisticated,